Hello traders, we are back again with one more hot setup, which is GBPNZD. Okay, so pound against New Zealand. Before we break the structure or the setup, let's check the usual thing first, the time and the date. So let's refresh it. Currently it is 4:57 a.m. Wednesday, 29 April 2026 in EST. Okay, let's get back to the chart here. This is 4-hour time frame. This low is never broken, so this is a new uptrend, pullback, new high. Okay, these highs are taken by this bullish candle which gave me entry. So you see, this was your last swing high, this was your last swing high, which has been fully grabbed by this bullish candle. So this was my entry, so I entered long here after the end of that candle. Okay, so what we have to take a profit, which is my black line at the top right here. Okay, so we are gonna hold our trade until 2.3168. That's my take profit in GBP NZD, which is gonna give us around maybe 120 pips, something like that. Okay, so that's it. Yep, so we are above the EMA. This is your bullish breakout. I entered here, price went down, that's normal, and now we are trying to go up. Okay, so we're gonna hold the trade and we'll get back to you when the TP is hit or whatever happens. I'll keep you posted. So if you want to join this program and want to get these trades, then join the program. You will find the link below my YouTube videos, or maybe you are already on the page where you're watching the video. If you want to join the program, you will make this money yourself. Otherwise, just watch me making this money. See you again. Hello traders, we are back, and we are back with GBPNZD. So I have taken my profits at this level, 2.3097. So in the beginning I told you the profits will be above that, but it has started taking the pullback. Okay, so it's still gonna go maybe up, but right now I have booked my profits. I am out of the trade. I have taken 50 pips. Okay, so we entered at this candle around 3045. That was my entry, 3045, and we have exited around 3097. So 50 pips. Okay, and we are out. And you will see the screenshot on my Telegram. So I have sent you the profits of this trade in Telegram. You can go and take a look. So we entered here, exited here, but I'm gonna re-enter this trade later on. If you don't know when, how, why, okay, we did not tell you one more thing. Time, let's check that. So refresh, and today is 4:30 a.m. Thursday, 30th of April 2026 when I'm recording this take profit video. Okay, so yes, I am out for now, but I know it's gonna go up. It's a pullback time, so if you wanna know exactly when to enter, exit, re-enter, blah blah blah, then you can join the program. You will find all the links below the video, or maybe you're already on the page, so go and join. If not, then just keep watching me making the money. Till then, see you again.